Hello, welcome back to Laptop Fix Made Easy channel. As a scenario, one day you are working on a digital project. Your laptop battery broke down and rendered your work unable to be completed. A problematic battery issue on a laptop could be identified by battery duration lasting under 2 hours, a broken battery symbol, or incapability to boot without AC power charging. A broken laptop battery is potentially caused by many reasons, namely broken battery, disconnected cable, or wasteful laptop usage. In this video, we will cover issues related to how battery duration problems on a laptop and find its solution along with a comparison of each battery life before and after applying the solution. Before starting to repair it, first diagnose the issue specifically. We do not want to replace the battery when the battery is still in fine condition, as it would be a waste of money and effort. To diagnose the issue, start by charging the laptop battery to 100%, unplug the charging cable and reboot your laptop. After that, check the battery duration. If your laptop battery is above 2 hours or only 10% reduction in the original manufacturer watt-hour specification, it is normal. But a laptop battery that lasts below 2 hours or reduction of kilowatt or battery capacity for more than 10% than the originally manufactured specification, there is certainly a problem, either on the battery or the software. Also check if the icon below your Windows screen has a cross symbol that signifies if the battery is faulty or not. Also, any laptop wouldn't turn on without any charging support if the battery is faulty. If there is any, then the battery hardware is either disconnected from the motherboard or the battery itself is broken. The simplest and easiest method to increase battery life is to turn off any unnecessary external laptop features such as turning off keyboard backlighting or reducing the laptop screen brightness. External peripherals like mouse and keyboard that have light on it also consumes more power, so turn it off too. Afterward, go to the taskbar and find a battery icon symbol on the right hand side of your screen, and move the slider to battery saving mode. By reducing the power consumption from the battery, the total battery life will increase. Another simple solution is to remove any unnecessary background application. An unnecessary background program consumes power even though you are not using them directly. For example, Steam games are running in the background even though I do not open any Steam tabs at all, nor use it. To close background application, press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the task manager. Select one background application that isn't part of the OS system and end the task. Now, the other solution is to replace your laptop's battery. Some laptop batteries might be located at a place where it's hard to reach or require special tools to extract it out, so be sure to research about it first. The first step to replacing a battery is buying the correct manufacturer's original battery. Do not buy any third-party batteries, as it is less durable and isn't always compatible with your current laptop. The second step is to prepare all of the tools needed to complete the repair, namely a screwdriver, a small plier or tweezer if necessary, a replacement battery, and a soft platform. The third step is to open the back cover of your laptop by unscrewing all of the screws and organizing it in a container to prevent screw losses. Make sure to put the cover in a flat and safe spot. The fourth step is to carefully unplug the battery's cable with your hand or with a tweezer. Afterward, unscrew all of the screws holding down the battery and slowly pry the battery out of the laptop and extract it out of the laptop. The fifth step is to carefully place the replacement battery in the laptop's original position. Make sure the battery fits perfectly with the provided space for the battery inside the laptop. Afterward, screw the battery to the frame of the laptop. The sixth step is to plug the battery socket with the motherboard and close the laptop's cover carefully. Next, screw the back cover evenly before tightly screwing all of the screws in. Finally, check if your laptop is booting. Here are the before and after of this battery fix. Note that I do not replace the battery as it is in fine condition, so the after in the result is mostly from the software fix. As a piece of advice, to maintain a laptop's battery life and capacity, make sure to not always put the state of the battery at 0% or 100%, as it will damage the chemistry inside the battery. But some laptops nowadays, such as gaming laptops, have the capability to automatically switch to AC power supply rather than battery after reaching 100%. Do not use heavy programs or video games in battery state, as the battery isn't able to supply as much current and voltage as direct charging cable power. Finally, always try to reduce unnecessary program usage, turn off unnecessary features, and set your laptop to battery saving mode for increased energy efficiency.